Throughout history, disagreements over mating rights have been the cause of violent conflict in our own species and in the natural world. From ancient Troy to the modern Western Kruger, testosterone-fueled males have fought recklessly for the right to father young. Horns and skulls crack together. Beaks peck and lock in mortal combat. Teeth, claws and roars combine in a terrifying melee when a lioness comes into heat. But fighting for love can come with dire consequences for female and male. Once it's decided who's going to mate with whom, the conflict is far from over. For cats, a tender moment quickly turns into a ferocious rebuke.
What happened there was a little bit of increased aggression because I think his claw got hooked in her as they were trying to separate.
In nature, procreation leaves its mark, sometimes temporary, often permanent. If you enjoy that little taste of Africa, click subscribe here on top of this baboon's skull and you can see more of the highlights from our daily African safaris. Then on the right here, if you click the little bell, you'll be notified every time we go live at dawn and dusk.